In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Behance link. This is perfect when you want clients, collaborators, or friends to see your work without any confusion. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can share a clean, professional link every time. Start by opening Behance in a web browser. You can use any modern browser like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge on desktop or mobile. Type behance.net into the address bar and head to the site. If you're already signed in, great. If not, that's fine too, because public pages are viewable without logging in. The key here is to make sure you're actually on Behance in a browser, not just looking at a screenshot or a draft in an editor. Give the page a second to fully load so the correct link is displayed. Next, go to the page you want to share. You have two main choices: your profile page, which shows your whole portfolio in one place, or a specific project page, which highlights a single case study or collection. Choose the one that best fits what you want others to see. If your goal is to present a curated case study with images and descriptions, open that project so you're on its dedicated page. If you want someone to browse all your work, make sure you're on your main profile. Take a quick look to confirm the page shows the content exactly as you want it to appear publicly. If anything looks like an editor view or a draft, navigate back to the regular viewing page before you continue. Now, copy the link from the browser's address bar. The address bar is at the top of your browser window and displays the full URL. Click once inside it to highlight the whole link. Then copy it using your usual method. Right-click and select. Copy, press Command+C on Mac or Ctrl+C on Windows. On mobile, tap the address bar, select the full URL, and tap Copy. A quick sanity check helps. Make sure the link begins with behance.net and includes your profile name or the project's unique path. That ensures you're sharing a direct public-facing link. This URL is the exact link you'll share wherever you need: simple, direct, and professional. And that's all there is to it. Open Behance in a browser, go to your project or profile page, and copy the URL from the address bar. With that link in hand, you're ready to showcase your work with confidence.